So, it's not in the original recipe, but my mother-in-law Renee says you have to ranch dressing.
Dry.
Dry ranch dressing. Just pour it in.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this. And
It's like snow on the chili.
stir it all together. This is the Weight
secret.
Watchers turkey chili. Simmers now for a half hour. And I will say,
Laugh all you want. It's really, really good.
and I'll say, having made this recipe, it appears the only difference between chili and meatloaf is whether you add any liquid. Because if we put all this together and just put it in a pan and baked it for a half hour, I think we'd have the same incredible flavor. But for now, it is time to simmer